I am Dr. Shamaz Mohamed. I am a preventive dentist and a public health dentist at the same time. I have a master's as well as a certificate course in evidence-based medicine. I work at Elia Dental Care. It's located in 8 Main, Wilson Garden, Bangalore. Dentures are usually removable appliances which are used to replace the missing teeth. The missing teeth may be due to various reasons, maybe due to trauma, periodontal disease or dental caries, or sometimes extracted due to orthodontic purposes. The dentist fabricates the dentures according to the jaws of the patient. So these dentures usually snugly fit into the mouth and aid in maintaining adequate oral functions like smiling, chewing, talking, etc. The dentures become loose over a period of time due to resorption of the bone, and this is a natural process. Hence, there will be clicking sound, difficulty in talking, and speech is usually impaired. So that patients should usually visit the dentist every 3 to 4 years once they find these symptoms of loosely fitting dentures. The dentist sometimes may prescribe some adhesive pastes as well as relining of the dentures to again make them comfortable to wear, and this may sometimes improve the function. If not, the dentist may advise you to replace the dentures with the new one.